like other forms of yoga, can bhakti be performed passively, or does it always have to be active service? We always see, what we generally see is devotees running all around, dancing and kirtan and doing sankirtan and selling books and all kinds of things. But other yogas, pretty much all of the yogas, you just sit down and meditate. Ultimately, that's where what you have to do. So is bhakti only mean active service? So if we look a little closely at Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, which we've been doing, we can see there's so many forms of bhakti which are doing nothing. Another way we can ask the question, does bhakti yoga, it means doing, or it means doing things, or does it also include doing nothing? So bhakti also includes doing nothing. And we gave so many examples of doing nothing. Nirmalya Ashwada, tasting the Nirmalya, wearing a garland, this is bhakti. And the very interesting one, which is a very deep one on the heart level, which is totally imperceptible, and even a limb of bhakti that you do without your active senses and without your working senses. And it's called number 44, limb of bhakti, Tat Kripa Ikshanam. Tat Kripa Ikshanam. Seeing that mercy in your life, seeing the grace of God and Guru in your life. This is one bhakti anga. Amazing. And then he cites a famous verse from Brahma Stuti. Tate nukampam shushamikshamano vanjana evatman kritam vipakam ridvagvapubir viridan namaste jiveta yomukti pade sadayabhak. Jiveta yomukti pade sadayabhak. This is a famous verse where so many things happened to me in my life due to my krita, my vipakam, kritam vipakam, my bad and sinful activities. In my last life I'm suffering, in this life, or even in this life I'm suffering for my sins. So I should see that as anukampa. This is all Krishna's mercy. Tate nukampam, anukampa, shushamikshamano. This is the mercy of Krishna. This is Tat Kripa Ikshanam. I'm seeing all these setbacks and all these diseases and sufferings that I'm presently experiencing, or I will experience in the future as a devotee. I'm seeing it as the mercy of Krishna. This is a limb of bhakti. And of the 64 limbs, as I mentioned, many of them, maybe 20 of them, are totally passive. This one doesn't include the knowledge-acquiring senses of Sri Murti Darshanam. One limb of bhakti is called Sri Murti Darshanam. Just with your working senses of your eyes to take darshan of Krishna Murti, Govindaji. But this one is just you close your eyes and you just feel, oh Krishna, you're so kind, you're so merciful. That's very nice. Very devotional and very internal and very individual, and doesn't require anybody else, because Krishna is in the heart of everyone, and every devotee has his own perception of Krishna in his or her heart. So I rather like that one. This is number 44. And then you missed one point, but because you're a teacher and of these subjects and a student also,